When a parent has paid an invoice, you should make a record of it on the system. You can add payments to individual invoices or to a parent's account. If it's the latter, the payment needs to be allocated to the invoice or invoices. For individual invoices, you can add and allocate payments at the same time. You just have to be viewing the invoice like we are now. Down here, there's a section called Receive a Payment. By default, the payment amount will be the same as the invoice amount, but you can change this if you want. And you can also choose how the payment has been made from this menu. Fill out the fields, then click Add Payment. This invoice will be marked as paid. To allocate payments to multiple invoices, click on eymanage in the sidebar, then go to Payments. Click Create Payment to bring up this screen. In the field at the top, search for and add the children you want to allocate payments to. Note that the amount you enter into the Amount Paid section will be split among each child's invoices. Fill out the rest of the details, then click Save and Allocate. You'll see a list of invoices pending payment for the children you selected. Type in the amount you want to allocate to each invoice. Underneath, you can also allocate some of this payment to a payment on account or a deposit. When you're done, click Allocate Payment. You also have the option to allocate payments automatically. Go to System Settings, Invoices/Payments, then scroll down to Payment Settings. Checking this option will make it so any payment you add for an individual child will be automatically allocated to their pending invoices, starting from the oldest. To demonstrate how this works, let's create another payment from the payment screen, fill out the fields, and click Save and Allocate. This pop-up will appear. Click Continue to accept the automatic allocation, and you'll be taken to a summary of how the payment has been allocated. I hope that's helped you get started with using payments on eymanage. For guides on related features like credit notes, deposits, reconciling bank statements, and importing payments, take a look at our Help Center.